LOLTENGLISH 800. Now I feel a lot better about myself. Your charcoal filters on yellow malt liquor, you make my gray skies blue. I drink it daily. As my stomach's failing, but I don't give a fuck. Old English, I'm in love with you. Old English, I'm in love with you. Old English, I'm in love with you. Yo!
Good morning. So it's New Year's Eve today, and me and my friends were heading down to the very south of England to a place called Chelsea. I don't know if you remember, but me and Edward spent some time there on one of the episodes. Beautiful place. It's going to be me and three of my mates, Steve, Nish and Deacon. Been friends for like 15 years. We're going to go down with Leela and have a lovely chill time in the countryside. So I'm really excited to go down, relax, write and have a laugh and go on for nice walks and do some filming and show you this beautiful countryside. And Leela, are you excited? Are you looking forward to it? Yes? So would you feeding me now please, Mummy? I can't feed her because I don't want her to throw up in the car. But it's a 4-hour drive. Hopefully she'll be alright. I'll give her a big lunch. I just don't want her to throw up. Till then, I'm going to have some lovely porridge and tea. Get ready. All the best, though, chaps! So we've all just arrived in Chelsea. We're at Steve's mum's house. It's a little annex. First thing to do, get a fire going and pour a lovely rum. Excellent. Yila's got a Christmas jumper on. She's prepared. Aren't you, baby? Yes, I'm the star of the show. Good evening. It's, I don't know, what time is it? It's just gone 10 PM and this is how much of a party animal I am, but I'm ready to get into bed. I got my thumper pyjamas on. I put my coat on because it's pretty cold. But everyone's gone for a little walk with Leela, but I wanted to have a little, just some time on my own to reflect. I've got some really good friends here and all we've talked about tonight is Papageno and going back. And I'm so stoked for going back. And Laura, she's going to be looking after Leela whilst I'm gone. And I'm so scared she's going to forget about me, but it's not fair to take her with me. It's not fair at all. But I really need to finish this project, and Laura and Leela love each other so much. I've landed in Britain on like the 15th of November, so it's kind of like just having from then to now this time with her, for Laura to have that time with her, then I'm back, and it's bloody cold in Britain. But I'm really looking forward to just having an early night tonight, just taking a bit of a chill. Everything's been going pretty fast, and hectic, and it's nice just to be with friends, talk about normal things and relax and just enjoy each other's company, pretty much. So I'm really very lucky. I'm very, very lucky to have such wonderful people in my life. So I'm just taking a moment to appreciate that. It's the small things, eh? Anyway, whatever you're doing right now, wherever you are in the world, I hope you've had a peaceful day / evening, and I hope you can feel my good vibes. I give them to you and say thanks for everything. See you in the morning. Hey! How is it? Did you like it?
What a good dog.
She's good.
She's ridiculously good.
Why, what happened?
Oh no, she's just so well behaved.
Come on. As you know, Leela's been a bit nervous with everyone, but she's really improved.
Amazing too, so.
Oh, good. I'm so pleased.
Literally no trouble whatsoever.
Oh, lovely jubbly. Hey, what's this, Leela? So I want to hang out with my new friends. Okay, we're now on our way to Chichester Marina. We're going to look at all the boats that we can't afford, aren't we? And we're waiting for one more person, Deacon, to arrive, and then we're going to celebrate New Year's celebration. It's New Year's Eve today, isn't it?
Yep.
Yes. Yesterday was New Year's Eve. Right, all the best. Let's enjoy the journey.
You're about to get.
Well done, Leela. It's always good to have a plan B, eh? Where from, Leela? Say bye. What's the plan then, Steve?
See how busy the crafters.
Then?
Coffee.
Then?
Go cook chicken.
I hope there'll be a nice rum in between all this.
I would.
Come on, sweetheart, let's say hi. You made it! Yay! Dickinson! Party started! Who shotgunned? Great. Deacon, what's the plan?
What?
What's the plan?
I'm going to be the rose between two thorns in the back.
Are we all squeezing it in one car?
Yeah.
Literally just had this conversation because I was like, what, we're going in one car? What the God?
My goodness.
Yeah. I'm in the middle and
Where are we going?
I ain't got a clue.
You know where we're going?
I ain't got a clue. Steve's driving.
Oh.
It's a surprise.
He's in charge. Surprise!
Where are we going, Steve?
It's an abandoned. Great.
Don't even know the words to this one. I should do, I've heard it. Leela!
She's back with the motorbike behind. That's hilarious.
Leela! Leela!
Get from up my
It's
ass.
alright, Leela.
She's like, how dare you?
That's so
Please,
funny.
man.
It's because he's like with a helmet like right by the back.
Leela!
She's probably like,
That's amazing.
get away from my car.
That's incredible.
That genuinely frightened me as well. Alright then. What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? What can I do to let you there? Hiding no more, trying.
There's nothing more to say. In a funny way I've come.
Best car journey ever.
Who will love us?
This is like the singles back seat.
What can I do to make you care? What can I do to make you love me? Oh, love me. Love me.
Loads of space.
Is this a complicated business?
Yes.
Why?
Because we have no idea what we're doing. Like, is it need a marriage? Oh, let's have a look.
Later.
Deacon,
Nice knowing you.
what are you doing?
If you slip now, like, I wonder how deep that actually is.
Get your ass back up here.
If you slip.
Oh,
I would be like, I'd probably fall into laughing.
what's your best seagull noise, Deacon?
That's a pretty basic ventilation for that one.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
So watch it just to the
Here we go!
Leela, no!
Oh,
Oh.
getting nuts and seagulls.
Oh, God, please don't, no.
Yeah.
Don't I always?
Yeah, literally, yeah.
Oh, it's official.
Official. This is such a bad idea, isn't it?
Yep.
You got your towels in the car, Steve?
Nope. Oh my god.
Everyone's filming!
I don't know how you're gonna do this. I think it's gonna.
I want to sit on it.
Deacon, don't make it any more complicated than what it is.
Oh, seriously. Fascinating.
A what?
Oh my god, don't try. Oh. Yes, well done. Oh, he's braver now.
Right.
That tactics.
Oh. It's like watching Laura Croft. Oh my god.
You went to get off, but then you just... I don't know, I think the momentum of the tyre went
In the water, and I'd rather.
For people who don't know, Laurie had a go and she fell in. Cue footage now.
Foot down, foot down.